for my Genius Hour learning object, I decided to head on over to my tablet. Because one thing I've always wanted to learn to do was how to actually record what I'm doing on my tablet. Now, to do this, I needed two things. I first needed something that would record what I'm doing as I scroll through or play video or play a game or give a tutorial. And the other thing I really needed some help with was having my motion tracked. So every time I tap the screen, like as you can see, I'm tapping, and there's a little dot that shows you that I am interacting with the screen, so that if I need to refer to an area like the date, it does that. So how did I do that? Well, if I look into my apps, the first thing I needed to do was download this thing right here called Show Touches. When you open Show Touches, you just got to click on this check mark over here, and it makes all touches visible. So every time I tap, it shows me that I tapped. The other thing I needed was this right here, ILOS. Now when you tap on ILOS, you have the option of recording everything on your screen, like you can see. And then you just hit the drop down menu up here, and you click record. It says pause right now, but that's usually where it says record. So if, for example, I want to record my blog, I would go onto my browser and scroll through my blog. I could read it out loud. I could trace it up and down, and that way people can follow visually as well as listen to me read it. And this has a bunch of applications. A student could have a presentation they need to do, and they could just share it they could bring it up on the tablet, and they could use their finger to trace what they're reading and actually read it and record their voice without actually having them record themselves if they feel comfortable doing so, or if they need to explain to a teacher how to do something. So if I had assigned somebody to show me how to create a Google slide, well, they can open this up, record how to do it, go into the web browser, go into Google Slides, create slide, all that good stuff. So anyways, I thought I'd record a short video about that, and once again, that's Show Touches and ILOS are my two programs. Hopefully I can upload these to my Genius Hour blog so everybody can see.